Oh,
What do you
good.
want?
Excellent.
What'd you vote on?
I enjoyed.
Oh. We'll get a
Well, I
seafood
wouldn't mind that
delivery.
either, but where
Oh.
can you get some good seafood?
He said something about
Captain
stump
Mills.
knockers.
No, I don't know.
Cat bills? No, you're right, David.
I can go with some good Italian. We haven't had any Italian in a while. You don't like Italian?
Well,
You
Right.
like Greek
You
food?
don't like Italian?
yeah, that's right.
Go to
I-
Takis
I'm
Authentic Greek and Italian restaurant.
outnumbered.
What was it you
I'll go
like?
wherever. I think it's Olive Garden, probably.
Well, do you want me to make my famous spaghetti?
No.
Unless y'all want me to, we got more ham. I'll make something here if you want to go here and play cards tonight.
Oh, you'd love that, wouldn't you?
And then go out
Brenda
another.
wants to go out. She wants to go out.
Okay, if I could separate, she said her legs are off the bed. We got to find another doctor somewhere. She hates to go to another doctor.
So you did really bad today, huh, John?
Yeah. Well,
Shot at
I,
102?
He said $1,000 if he gets.
Come up to Virginia.
Wow, I'd be ashamed of that.
it felt like a 102.
Dad said he beat you on the back, man.
2 strokes, but John had a hard time.
Yeah.
Were you driving as good as you were yesterday?
Me? No.
That was the
Phillies D and all-out guerrilla assault. Heavyweights fight physical battle. Who'll be left standing? Stick around.
Are they still at it?
No, they're going up a tree, but I don't know what they're doing.
Or do you think I'll wear this one?
Is Karen getting ready for the snowstorm of 2003?
You think I'll wear this one? The Elmer Fudd hat?
Put the other one on. I thought that was very becoming.
Like this one? I'm trying to be wind user friendly here.
Let's look outside here. Oh, look at the snow.
What do you think of this one?
There you go.
You think this is it?
Yeah.
I think this is the one. Okay, that works. You don't like the Elmer Fudd, huh? Well, come get a picture of this.
Wow.
Isn't that pretty? Okay, but I won't put this on until I get to work.
Okay.